Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Xbox Series X. There are two primary ways to reset your console: reset and keep my games and apps, or reset and remove everything. The first option is quicker and ideal for minor issues, while the second performs a complete wipe, perfect for selling or major troubleshooting. Always consider backing up important data before a full reset to avoid losing anything valuable. To perform a soft reset, navigate to Settings, then System, and finally Console Info. Select Reset Console and choose Reset and Keep My Games and Apps. This process typically takes around 10 to 15 minutes, preserving your installed games and applications while refreshing the system software. It's a great first step for resolving performance glitches without the hassle of re-downloading everything. For a full reset, follow the same initial steps: Settings, System, Console Info, and Reset Console. This time, select Reset and remove everything. Be aware this will delete all user data, accounts, games, and apps, returning your Xbox to its factory default state. This option is thorough and can take up to 30 minutes or more, depending on your console's storage. Ensure you've removed all accounts beforehand. After either reset, your Xbox will restart. If you chose to keep your games, you'll just need to sign back in. For a full reset, you'll go through the initial setup process again. If problems persist, try power cycling your console by holding the power button for 10 seconds. For persistent or complex issues, contacting Xbox support is always recommended. They can provide tailored assistance for your specific situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.